Good morning. So it is Saturday morning. I've been up since, I won't tell y'all how long I've been up, but the first person probably got a text message from me about 6:30. Okay. But I wanted to come to y'all today to talk about collaboration over competition. Collaboration over competition. So, when I say collaboration over competition, first of all, there's no competition for you because you are you. There's nobody else like you. Nine times out of 10, oh, I lost my Zoom. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Nine times out of 10, there is going to be no one in the world like you or just like you. So to be honest with you, you don't have competition. All right, let's start there. But for those that still think they have competition, I want to talk to you about collaboration over competition. First of all, collaboration is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Your network or within your network, you should have someone that you can network with, collaborate with, combine with, align with. Oh, there's so many words I could use when I talk about this. Within your network, you should be able to come together, exchange ideas, exchange knowledge. Whatever you're not good at, somebody else is good. Or I just met with a group of realtors. There was eight of us on the call, y'all. Eight of us, I swear, eight of us on the call, and we had to divide eight tasks up. Simple, right? But guess what? We collaborated and decided who was best at what. Like maybe step one, I was better at, or step seven, I was better at. Step four, Tiffany was better at. Step three, Flo. Then Keisha chose number one. Keisha volunteered to go first. But here's the deal, we are collaborating, we aren't competing. I've spent the last 6 months of my life collaborating with leaders. Now, what do you think that's doing for me? It's helping me to grow my leadership skills, helping me to build my team building skills. I am collaborating with leaders and then collaborating with a team to teach them how to be leaders and how to build a team. It's just a cycle, a cycle, a circle, a network, a collaboration, no competition. You guys have got to think of this, start using it, start thinking of how you can benefit from this. I wanted to just bring this to you, collaboration over competition. Think about it. Watch the success that some of your peers are having when they collaborate. You guys are seeing two people do the clubhouse talks. You're seeing four people do home buyer workshops. You see eight people do the home buyer workshops. Look at it, learn collaboration. The best person, teams are popping out like crazy, y'all. There are teams, there are collaborations. Okay, think about it. Think about how you can strengthen your business with a collaboration, how you can build a new success habit through collaboration and networking. I just want you guys to know collaboration and networking has built me from 0 to 50 real quick. All right, y'all, 0 to 50 real quick. All right, collaboration, teamwork, networking, collaboration over competition. Let's get moving. I wish you the most success in your business. I hope this has helped you. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye bye.